An auctioneer charges 8% for selling a house. If the house is sold for this much amount, find the charges of the auctioneer. How should I do it?
So 8 upon 100 into 2,30,500.
So what is the answer that you have got?
18,440.
18,000?
440.
Satya, is this the answer that you have got?
Yes, sir.
Satya, have you understood the question?
Yes.
So auctioneer is a kind of agent. So what he will do is he will help you sell your house, and because he is helping you sell your house, he will charge you something. So this is a rate at which he charges you. So for example, say you want to, Mr. Satya, let us say that you have gone to Delhi and you are trying to rent a place. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now you don't know anybody in Delhi. You don't know anybody. So you'll go and meet a property dealer. You know what is a property dealer? Satya, Sarthak.
Yes.
Sarthak, do you know?
Yes, sir.
So what they do is, so for example, if somebody comes to Bhakti Park from Delhi, now this person from Delhi won't know much about Bhakti Park. So he'll go to one of the property dealers and ask him that I want to rent a flat. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this property dealer is like an auctioneer and an auctioneer is like an agent. So what they do is, because this property dealer has a lot of contacts, so what he'll do is he'll show Satya a lot of, so for example, if Satya goes to Delhi, now let us assume that he's gone to location X. He'll go and meet one of the property dealers who, because he's a local person, will show him some flat which he can rent. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now these charges, it is also called commission. So in a lot of word problems, you will find this word commission. Can you note this word down? Commission. So this commission is basically in a service charges. Service charges. This is what the person who is giving you a service charges you. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So in percentage word problems, many times you will find this word commission. So a commission usually is percent of something. Percent of something. So for example, the property dealer may say that I want a percent of the rent, of the monthly rent. That can be his charges. Okay. Question 7. Sarthak, how should I do question number 7?
So in question number 7, it will be 50 upon 800 into 100. So 50 upon 8% equals 6.25%.